Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on how to Dutch fishtail braid. Start off by brushing your hair, making it as tangle free as possible, and then take a section of hair at the top of your head. I'm wrapping a small elastic around this section of hair to make it easier to fishtail braid. If you're having trouble keeping your braid tight, this really helps. So take that little ponytail and split it into two. You're going to take outside sections of hair, taking them underneath and to the opposite section. So do that a couple of times, taking outside strands of hair underneath and to the opposite side. And then you're going to start to add in hair from the hairline. So you're going to continue as you were doing before, but this time you're going to add in these little extra sections from the hairline. You're going to keep on doing this all the way down to the nape of your neck. This will make your arms ache. I just think of it as my arm workout for that day. You can of course take a break and stop whenever you want. Just try and remember which side you stopped on. And then when you've incorporated all your hair, I'm going to just put it in a ponytail, but you can continue fishtail braiding, do a 3-strand braid, a rope braid, whatever you fancy doing. Just make the ponytail a bit more interesting, I'm going to take off a little section of hair and do a little 3-strand braid. And that's the completed hairstyle. I really hope you liked it and I hope you can recreate it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.